Once upon a time, in the heart of the forest, there lived a young owl named Oliver. He was eager to explore the skies. One day, as Oliver struggled to take flight, a wise old owl named Oswald noticed his impatience. Patience, young one, Oswald hooted gently. Great things take time. Your wings will grow strong and the wind will carry you. But I want to fly now, Oliver protested. Oswald, perching on a sturdy branch, shared stories of the stars, the moon, and the ancient forests. He spoke of the importance of waiting for the right moment to spread one's wings. Oliver tried and fell many times, but Oswald kept encouraging him. Seasons changed, and with each passing day, Oliver's wings grew stronger. One day, a breeze lifted him into the sky. It was his first flight. He was very happy. The wise old owl had not only taught him to fly, but also the value of patience and beauty of the learning process. Oliver realized Oswald was right. Learning is as important as achieving. He shared this lesson with other owls, and their forest echoed with the tale of patience and success. The moral of the story is that patience and persistence are key to achieving success. It teaches us that great things take time, and the journey of learning is as important as reaching our goals.